The Great Wall was not built by the ancestors of the current generation of Chinese in order to attract tourists. It was built to defend their nationalism, and it's lasted for over 2,500 years. And while we have invaders on our southern border, what will we have to show for ourselves in 2,500 years, given that we have a Homeland Security Department under Janet Napolitano, who was, in essence, mandated by the American people not only to defend us against the Major Hassans, but against the invaders from the south, from the southern border. And now we have a Homeland Security Department and Janet Napolitano acting as a traffic cop, actually directing the flow of invaders northwards and the flow of remittances southwards. While in the liberal America of today, nationalism is looked on with scorn by Obama and his minions. Why is it that national pride is something that Obama accepts for China, for Saudi Arabia, for Syria, for Iran, but national pride amongst Americans is somehow that something only Neanderthals would display in this country? China is the new Britain, if you think about it. Britain once built an empire that reached every corner of the world. They dominated Asia. They grew rich from the labor and resources of Africa. Now China is doing the same thing. They're making huge capital investments in Africa and elsewhere. But the Chinese brand of colonialism contains cultural MSG. Cultural MSG, militarism, subjugation, and godlessness. That's what they're exporting to Africa, MSG. Many consider the British Empire to have been a racist institution. Oh, yes, very racist. We hear that day in and day out. But what about the racial imperative of China? What you morons don't know is that the ruling Han Chinese government has long demonstrated racism and a bias, especially, but not particularly, against Chinese who are not of Han Dynasty. You don't even know this. We are such racial fools in this country. China is perhaps one of the most racially sensitive countries on earth. Racially sensitive, that is, to their own superiority. Take it for what it is. The Han Chinese look down on any Chinese who's not descended from the Han people. And here we have Obama there. Now, I don't have to tell you this. It's a very sensitive issue, but anyone who studies race knows this to be a fact. The fact of the matter is there is much prejudice in China against people of African descent. Whether you like to hear it or not is irrelevant. It's a reality. Anyone who knows anything about China knows that to be true.